Hello YouTubers, this is Dirt Bikes and Stuff again. This time this is a 1999 KX250 that I restored, and it has throwback graphics on it from the 1994 KX250. Pay no mind to the seat cover. The seat cover was or it's not going to fit. So I have it just temp installed right now, just for the startup. I'm going to go ahead and start it up. This is the first go. First things first though, immediately I did a 1996 CR250 as well. And the fit and function of all the KX parts are not as good as you would think. What I mean by that is, it seems like everything fit on the CR. Like really good, right? Bolt on, no wiggling, no wobbling, things like that. But on this bike it seemed to be a little bit more of a problem. I'm not talking about the engine, I'm talking about the frame components. So anyway, it looks really good. I have put the stock silencer back on it, did all of that. Again, I said don't worry about the seat cover. I'll try to get in the sun here in a little bit, but I wanted to be in a position to start it, and then I'll do a little walk around with it. So I'm going to give the phone to my lovely wife so that you guys can witness the first kick. No shit. I didn't try it, didn't warm it up, nothing. So let's see. I did rejet the carburetor though. Let's see, I don't remember what the main jet was, but the needle was in the third clip position. I put the air screw 1.5 turns out, and I upped the pilot jet to a 50 from a 48, and that was the only jetting I did. So hopefully, and it ran when I bought the bike. So okay, here we go.